BNB against BTC. Okay, BNB is also another, what you would call a late bloomer. And I think BNB is in the midst of a wave 2. When things move impulsively towards the upside, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it drops, it's a ABC or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also 5 waves down. So for BNB BTC, this is a 1, and this looks to me like a 2. We're expecting a 3, usually the longest, never the shortest, and then we're expecting a 4 as we head up towards a 5. Ta-da! This is a long journey up, very long journey up. So yeah, I think it should do well. I think it should do well. We have a target over here, 4658 of the big head and shoulders. I think it's gonna get invalidated. The moment we take out these highs, this is invalidated. And it feels to me like we're gonna invalidate it. If you look very carefully over here, this is a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles are bullish continuation chart patterns. If the preceding trend is bullish, the subsequent trend will be bullish. If the preceding trend is bearish, the subsequent trend will be bearish. More likely than not, of course, no guarantees, more likely than not. And I think once we break out for FBTC, that's it. We'll be breaking with very huge volume. Hopefully though, I'm expecting a big spike out above the skinny pink line. And this will be glorious for BNB. Glorious. Because I use BNB a lot. I use Binance a lot. BNB against USD. Yeah, we've already invalidated the mountain over here. Mountain. Drop. But it didn't. Buying pressure came in. Push the price higher. Invalidates the target. So we're gonna go back to a drawing board. Right. Okay, let's just remove this and view things from a bullish perspective. BNB against USD is kind of yeah, this is something like a squeeze that came in, right? And we're out. You can also draw a resistance line across here, right? And call this an inverse head and shoulders, right? If you want to, or you can pull it all the way, disregarding the wick over here, and call this a ascending if you want to as well. But the point is, BNB is already out. It's out, boys and girls. It's out. And I've said before several times that 300 is where I made my purchase for BNB, because I think that this is it. Why would I want to buy a 300? We are above the skinny pink line. There is a consolidation happening over here. There's a squeeze happening, and then pump, we're out. More upside? Yeah, more upside. We're overbought though, so I would not recommend going in at this point of time. I still think that if you want to take a trade for BNB, it's you gotta wait for a retrace. So yeah, I've already got my fuel of BNB, because you get a discount if you trade BNB. No, if you pay your fees in BNB, there's a discount. So yeah, I normally use BNB for discounts. So a truckload was bought over here. Not exactly a truckload, but you know, for fees. It's for fees. Okay, moving on. Where are we? Okay, where do I expect BNB to go to? Okay, let me just see first. Okay, there is some resistance over here. My assumption is that we might do something like this. You see, value 1, value 2, and another value 3. But again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. And I think that BNB is setting up for a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. We already saw this ever since 2022, right? We're waiting for that right shoulder to come by the end of 2024, and then that's it. We go para from there. So this will be a late 2024, early 2025 kind of a move, in my opinion. And I still think that there will be a deep retrace though. So watch out for that. Anyway, we're still in a bullish bias and still expect more upside. But yeah, there could be some whiplashing here and there. So be very careful.